Hey guys, welcome. Today we'll be talking about embeddings. In our pipeline we have embeddings here and here. So what are these embeddings? Embeddings are numerical vector representation of text that captures the semantic meaning of words, sentences and documents. Now let's understand by taking an example. You have this document stored in our database and you have this user query. So in SQL kind of database, when you get the user query, you try to search relevant information by doing keyword matching. And you can see clearly if you do keyword matching here, the result will be none because the keywords are different. So what is the solution? If we can capture the meaning of these two sentences, you can see they have similar meaning. Then if we search based on the meaning, it will be easier to find this document. Is that we'll convert these two sentences into vectors and then we'll find the similarity, cosine similarity between these two vectors. So you can see this is our document and this is our query. You can see we have a good cosine similarity score. So embeddings enable us to do this similarity search. Now another requirement is that we need to convert text into numbers because our computer, it doesn't understand text directly. It understands number. That's why this embedding solves two issues. One, we need to convert the text into numeric numbers, and two, we need to present in such a way that it should capture the meaning of the text. And this vector representation is called embedding. So here we have these documents and we have this query, you can see. So we are using this model to create embeddings and we are creating embeddings here. After that we are doing a PCA to reduce the dimension to 3 and then we are plotting here. So if I run this Python, so here we have our documents in a 3D space and you can see we have a cosine similarity of 0.61 between our user query and this vector. So this is, you can say this is dogs are loyal. So dogs are loyal, this is the fifth number of vector. And if we check the fifth number of document, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 dogs are loyal animals that help humans emotionally and reduce stress. So out of all these documents, we can see this sentence or this document has the similar meaning. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Please do like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.